Okay. So what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is where we promote our product and services of your business. Okay. Where you promote in online. Okay. We promote our product and services of our business in online. So what are the platforms available? Like Google, social medias, marketplaces, email marketing, and video channel platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. We have many video platform also. So what we do, we go and we publish our things over there. Okay. For this, what we exactly we need. Okay, we need a website or app. Okay. So where you can showcase your product and services, where you can showcase your product and services in particular website or app. So website, many websites are there. As apps also, many apps are there. So whichever uh, possible, we can promote that products. Or some companies have both the things. So what you need to do as a digital marketer, you need to understand their businesses and we need to promote them. Okay, in online. Okay, so as a digital marketing, you need to aware of all these channels how to promote this. Okay, here we are just promoting our products. Okay, so how we promote, what are the different channels, and how to make our product visible to the our target customers will understand. So here you need to understand the business. First of all, as a digital marketer, any digital marketer need to understand the business first. Okay, if you want to become a good digital marketer or great digital marketer, what exactly you need to do? Understand the business. So what exactly the business will do? So what are their products? What are their products or services? So what are their prices and how often they are publishing their products or in online? If it is not, so what are the channels we need to improve that? Okay. Apart from that, what we need to do is we need to understand the target customers. So who are my target customers? Okay. So we need to understand who are my target customers, how to reach them. Here we need to reach them. So where the target customers are. For example, I have a Dell laptop. So whom I need to reach? Who are looking for Dell. So where these people, like some people may search in Google. Okay, Dell laptops. Okay, if you if your website or if your company visible over there, then people know this company is offering Dell laptop. After that, they will purchase. Okay, so that is the thing. So you need to understand. So where the target customers, sometimes they will be in Google or social medias or different channels. As whenever they are searching in YouTube, also they are searching lot of channels, Instagram. So there we have a online platforms they are searching. So we need to understand where the target customers and we need to reach them. Okay. So if they reach, what happens? So first of all, when why we'll do the digital marketing is in order to connect the customers and improve the brand. Okay. We need creating a brand awareness. So what is our brand? What are the products? How we can go? So everything we will understand in that. Okay. So after brand awareness, what exactly will make sure? So reach. Okay. So reach, after reach, what exactly will happen? So whatever the products and services will get the conversions. Okay, conversions in the sense or sales. As I said, Dell laptop. Whenever people click on that, if particular person buy that product, then what happened? We are improving the sales. We are increasing the sales. So this kind of activity we are working. Okay. So which are the companies can do the online marketing? Anybody? which companies can go online? Yeah, Sanjana, you're drawing something. Okay.
Can you come the question again, sir?
So which company can go online?
Online.
Which companies?
Online in the sense.
For example, which companies? For example, education companies can go online, or only e-commerce can go online, or
No, no.
the
Anyone who are willing to have their digital presence, they can come online.
yes, yes,
How
correct, correct,
has come online, right?
correct, correct, correct. Here, why they want digital presence?
Because first thing is like they want to, brand awareness. They
Yes,
want to show what they are doing and to promote their business as well.
correct, correct. So one more thing I can add here,
Mm.
everybody are in online. Okay, so due to the internet tech, or development or whatever the things. Okay, so everybody has their own devices and with the internet tech. Okay, so what they do generally, they will go to the online. So sometimes they surf in Google, or sometimes they go for the different YouTubes or Instagrams. So different purposes, but they are in online. Okay, so nearly we can say an average an average person at least 1 to 2 hours they are in the online. As per recent study, they are saying that there are 90 minutes, at least 90 to 150 minutes people are in online on average. Some may go 5 hours also, 6 hours also. On average, we can say in nearly 2 hours people are spending their time. Okay, so for that the businesses want to target those persons. Okay, so with their product and services. Okay, so what happens offline? Okay, fine, this is okay, online everybody are there. So what they, whether they need to continue offline or they need to come to only online? Anybody? As they are continuing offline, whether they should continue or only they need to go to, they shift to the online, or they should continue both? Which
Both,
one? Yeah,
both.
correct, correct. Both they can. So why? Because if they are getting some X sales, here they can have additional things. Okay, so they can get the additional, and future is the online. So everybody has gone to the in a such way they have depended, they are becoming more dependent on the online. For example, Swiggy or Zomato, whatever it might be. So we are dependent, they are
Sharing the screen.
yeah, anybody? Yeah, we are becoming more dependent. So because of that, we need to go to online. Fine. This is general, everybody knows this. Okay. So actually, what digital marketers need to understand or do. Digital marketers do. Okay. So we need to understand first Google. Okay. Whenever we are going for Google, what we will do? So we will
We cannot see your
go
screen.
to, yeah.
I can see your screen, sir. I can see your screen.
I didn't get your voice. Can be loud. Okay.
No, your screen is visible. I'm saying your screen is visible.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. Thank you very much. Okay, fine. So Google. So in Google, users write the queries or keywords. Okay. So what they will do, they will type their keywords and or whatever the may be queries. So why they type? They want some information, or they want some buy the products, or they want to see the online reputation or reviews or whatever it may be. So they will go to the Google and do the different kind of exam. For example, I'll show. So here I want to know the Dell laptop. I want to search for Dell laptop. So here I got Dell laptop on the 15th of. So after searching here, I get the some results. Some websites are showing here. So here when I scroll down, so I can see a lot of websites. Okay, some popular products are there. Okay, some laptops are visible. Okay, here I can see the Dell company also. Okay, Amazon also. Like this, we have many websites, and even Google is publishing the videos also. Some videos also publishing, and this Flipkart, all these things. Apart from this, and Google want to show more results here. This is only first page. After this, you know, many pages are there. In these pages also a lot of websites are visible. Okay, so what we user will do, so if he really want to buy, he will click on any of this. Okay, so after clicking, he go to the product and he will purchase. So here the user intention is whether he want to buy the product, or you want to search the product, or knowing the product, whatever it might be. Okay, so if 10 people are there, at least 2 to 3 people will buy the product. Another 7 people will search for information, later they can purchase. It is not immediately they not purchase, later they can purchase. Okay, so here as a digital marketing, we need to understand the keyword. So we need to understand what is this keyword, so why the people are typing this information. So we need to analyze the keywords behavior. As a digital marketer, you need to understand the keyword and keyword behavior. Okay, why this particular keyword is typing. So for example, I want to know what is digital marketing. So here, when I type what is digital marketing, so what here the user is looking for information. Okay, is here there is nothing to buy here, so he is looking for information. So here he want to know what exactly digital marketing is. Then he can, if he knows about something, then he will research. After that, if he's really want, he will purchase the product or service. Okay, so here we need to analyze the, so what is digital marketing is what here the behavior showing is want some information. Okay, after like this, some key other keywords are there, like some users may search digital marketing is. Okay, so what is this, why is searching this? So he already has know what is digital marketing. He is not caring for what is digital marketing. He know what exactly digital marketing, or what are the platforms. So he is looking for fees. He is only looking for fees so that he may uh, enroll in that company, or whatever the enroll in the this course. Okay, so here we understand the fees. So what here we will get commercial keyword. These are the commercial keywords. These are the informational keywords. Okay, like this we have a many keywords. So as a digital marketer, you need to analyze what are the keywords, how user is typing. We need to understand his behavior, and accordingly. And one more thing, for each keyword, we have a volume or traffic. We say volume, that is called traffic. So for example, if people are searching for what is digital marketing, 1,000 people may search. Okay, search per month. Okay, and for this 500 users search per month. Okay, so this we understood. Okay, is going for information. This we also understand. This may commercial use, but we need to understand this searches. How many searches are happening? Whether it is happening more searches or less searches. Why we need this information? So we know these keywords and we'll incorporate or we place these keywords in our website. So what you'll do? So after knowing this kind of volume, then we'll understand, okay, these many people are searching in Google for this kind of information. So what we need to do? So for this, we need to create some content. Okay. So we need to create some content. You can create a separate blog for this. Okay. What you will do? You will create an article or blog in your website. So you will publish over there. If anybody typing this information, your website visible there, then he can click on that. And if you write a good content, then people may like your content. They can come and they can join your courses. Okay, like this. Okay, and what this keyword send means here, if you tell the price, this is my price, so people may think on that. Okay, and if you give a good kind of a reviews, you if you go to the Amazon, lot of reviews are there, right? Lot of people or even me also, whenever I purchase, I will see the reviews. Okay, if it is having a good reviews, what we will do, we will purchase that products. Okay, what exactly we'll see, we'll understand here the trust. Okay, trust is another factor in the digital marketing. Whenever you are working with any product and services, how to create this trust, because people are purchasing your product and looking your product, but they are equally giving a importance to reviews that uh, indirectly go to the trust. Okay, here how many people um, uh, how a digital marketer created trust. If you have a already given the product to the people, so you can get the testimonials of that product and you can showcase that in your website so that people can get aware of your services and products. Then purchase maybe improve more than what you're thinking. So you need to understand this trust also. So like this, many factors are there in digital marketing according to your platforms. So we have a different platforms according to the platforms. So what is a website? What are the different keywords we need to place in the website? After that, how we can place those keywords? Everything we will understand in the things. So why? Because whenever the people are searching, for example, if I place this keyword in my website, okay, so here my here 500 people may see my product or website. Okay, after that, if anybody, for example, if I say 5 people also join, that is also very good. Okay, so I told 500 people, but even 5 people also join. What happened? It is a great plus for me. Okay, like this we will understand. So what are the platforms available? Okay, we'll go for what are the platforms available. First is, as I said, Google. In Google, what we will do? So we will do SEO. So what is SEO? Anybody? Search engine optimization.
Search engine optimization.
So what is search engine optimization? So search engine optimization is here. Google has a lot of websites or crores of websites. So if you type any, here I type only. Okay. Here I typed only Dell laptop 150,000. Here how many websites I can see? A lot of websites. Okay, like this. After this also you can see a lot of things. After this, there are different keywords also. It is not that only this keyword. You have a different keywords. People are searching with i5 11th generation, 7th processor, and i5 processor, like this. Many keywords also there. For this also we have a many results. Okay, so what exactly we are looking for this? If anybody typing any information, so what our website should be visible in this first page. First is the first page. After first page also, if you are coming here top, so what happened here? As I said, 500 people are can see your product. So it might be 500 or 5,000, whatever the volume. Sometimes it may be more also, less also. So here, whenever your website is here, so people click here. Okay. After that, they go to that particular website and take the decisions. Okay. So like this, what we will do? So we improve the ranking. Okay. So what we will do in SEO, we will improve the ranking. Okay. So what happen if you improve the ranking? So sales will generate or sales will improve. So like this we will understand. So for example, my website is abc.com. Today you got one website, abc.com. So this has a one institute. For example, we'll talk it about institute. Okay. They are providing Java course. Okay. What is they providing? Java course. Okay. So what you need to do? So if any person is typing Java course, okay, your website should come in the first position. That is your target. So okay. So how to do SEO? You will do in SEO. What are the things we will do? So first we have a on-page SEO, and second thing is off-page SEO, and third one is technical SEO. These are the three things we will do to get this first position. Okay. So how many days we need to do? To get that first position. Okay. So it depends. It is not that today we have done, tomorrow it will see. Okay. It will not happen. So it depends on the category to category. What the category market. Okay. It depends on the okay. Sorry, how many days? Okay. It depends on the website to website, category to category. So which category we are belong. Sometimes you are working with e-commerce. It may takes 1 year, 2 years also to get that position. So why? Because so already lot of websites already done their SEO. So we need to compete with them. Okay. If some companies are some markets are some categories are not that much influential, or they are not doing that much, you can come within 3 months also. It depends on which are the products, which are the services, and which location. Okay, location also plays vital role. Okay, for suppose here if I say Java course, here we don't have any location. So if I include Java course in Hyderabad, so I can here the competition is less, depend on the Java course. If I go for Java course, I need to compete with across the globe, across all the web pages. Okay. If I say Java course in Hyderabad, I can compete only with Hyderabad pages only. Okay. Whoever already created Hyderabad pages, I will compete with them. So what happened naturally here, you will get very less time and you can get the ranking, because it may take 6 months also, 3 months also, depends on the that category who are doing the SEO. We will see in that position. So a lot of things are there in SEO. So first we will do on the on page. In on page also, what we will do in on page, what we will do. So first keyword research. So what is keyword research? So as I said, users types many keywords. You will not type only single keyword. Okay, Java course only. He may type Java course in Hyderabad, Java course fees, Java course duration. He has many things. Some if 100 students are there, 100 students will type different keywords. Okay, so we don't know which keyword is better for us. Okay, and we don't know which keyword we need to rank. Okay, so whether I need to rank for Java course in Hyderabad or CoreJava course Hyderabad. I don't know which has a better volume, which has a more traffic. I don't know who are searching for. I don't know. Some people may also try for Java course placement in Hyderabad also. So we don't know which keywords. So for that we will do the keyword research. So what we will do? We will do the keyword research. So why we'll do? We'll understand the which has the more volume. Okay. So after that, you will go and place the after that. So what you do, if in keyword research we have 100 keywords, in that we will select the best one, and those keywords what you will do, you will place in website. Okay. So after placing website, what happened? So Google matches the queries. Okay, queries or keywords by users. So for example, you have written Java courses in Hyderabad in your website. Okay, so Google matches. Okay, so this particular abc.com website has the keyword. So Google, what it will give? That information give to the users. What that is called relevant. Okay, the relevancy plays a important role. Okay, so here Google will not give whatever it has. Okay, Google sees the relevancy. So Google sees the relevancy. The people are looking for only Java course in Hyderabad. This abc.com is showing that relevancy. Okay, so according to that user, it matches and shows the results. So that is called ranking. Okay, so here we'll understand the ranking. So here how to rank our website. So there are Google is saying 200 factors influence the ranking. Okay, so there are 200 factors Google is saying. So all 200 is very influential? No, it is not that every you need to learn 200 factors and you need to implement. It is very hard. Okay, so there are 20 to 30 main factors are there. We'll work on that. If you work, then your website will be done. Not 200. Some maybe have a small proportionate. Some have a bigger proportionate. As an SEO, we will learn all those things and we will implement this. So which factors? So why these are important? Because these factors important because we already some competitor is already showing the result. For example, I am searching for Java course in Hyderabad. So here already some people are there. Okay. Here some people are there. We need to compete these websites. Okay. So if we want to come in this position, we need to analyze the competitor analysis also. So what we will do? So what we will do? So we will see the competition also. Okay. Or we will see the competitor reports. Analyze the competitor reports. What is competitor reports? So why this website came this position? If it is third position, So what are factors influence? Okay, so what kind of keywords they have placed, which keywords they have taken. Okay, so where they are placed. Okay, whether they are placed in meta tags or whether they are placed in the uh, blocks with internal links, what exactly they have done. So we will analyze everything, then we will come to the conclusion. Okay, okay, these websites are doing this one, we need to strategize. Here we will apply our strategies. Okay, then we will make easily our website also comes. So this takes a long time. It is a not a small process, it takes a lot of process. It may take 6 months or 7 months. So that is why this all uh, things will happen. Okay, it not today we have done all the keywords, tomorrow it started coming. Okay, because already the websites are there, we need to compete and we need to understand the competitor analysis. Through competitor analysis we will overtake those things also. Okay, so this kind of process regularly happens. For example, if your website is already in this position, it is not that every Google will show another 10 years or 20 years your website. It is not a constant one. Okay, it may change also. Google tomorrow, if any other SEO are doing better, your ranking also may go down. It is not fixed. Okay, so generally people also think that, sir, I did my SEO today, my whatever I said, 6 months or 1 year, website is comes in the first position, so your job is over. No. Okay, today other competitors are doing. Okay, we have a, if you are in first position, we have a lot of other person want to come to the first position. So they are playing a vital role here. Again, we need to do the SEO. It is not fixed. Today we came first rank, SEO is over, you should not think. So we need to uh, make that result enough appear in first result order. We should not get down the rank. Okay, in that way we have to position ourselves. So after that, what we will do after that, so we have a another thing is called in Google Ads. So what are these Google Ads? Okay, so Google Ads is another source of showing you a result. For example, today abc.com they have given to you. Okay, today you are doing SEO. It may take another 6 months or 1 year to get the result. So what the business will do? So they want to generate today. They want the sales, not tomorrow or not 6 months. Okay, so they want results today itself. They want to, because they want to sustain in the online. Okay, so for that they have to go for Google Ads. What are these Google Ads? Whenever I'm searching this keyword, I am able to see the sponsored ad. Okay, whenever you are seeing sponsored, these are called Google Ads. Whenever you are seeing this sponsored one, these are the Google Ads. Okay, so we have many types of Google Ads. It is not that only people type the keyword, your website is visible. This is a one kind of such ad. This is another product listing we had. Whenever you go to the YouTube, you can see the skip ad. What those called? Video ad. If you are going for any Times of India, you are reading something, or you are going app and doing some other things, then suddenly a ad will come. So those are called display ads. So we have many types of ads here in Google. Also we have a many types of ads, like search network ads, display network ads, and we have a remarketing ads. We have product listing or shopping ads. We have app marketing also. For example, if you have an app, you can go for app marketing. So people can see your app. So they can install your app also. And also we have video marketing or YouTube videos. Whenever you'll see skippable, non-skippable kind of ads. Those are called video ads. Okay. So apart from that, we have a performance max ad. So these kind of many ads are there. So which ad we need to do? Here comes the question. So we have many ads. Which ad we need to do? Which ad is better for if we are running a institute like this? Which ad is better? Whether we need to do search network, whether we need to do remarketing. If you are running, if you have a products like e-commerce, so which ad will be the better? So as a digital marketing, now you will learn all these things. Okay, so which ad is better, where it will display, how it display, how many people click. So here we will get the all the measurements. Okay, we will measure the results also, like how many people see your product, like impressions in the means how many people see your ad. Okay, we'll see the clicks, so how many people click on your ad. So here we will see conversions. So what is conversion? How many people buy your product. Okay, so every result you can able to see. So if we have a many other metrics also like CTR. Okay, so we have a conversion. Okay, conversions. So we have a many metrics. We will go each and everything. We will understand how our ad is performing. Okay, so here what we will do, we'll put the budget. Simply we'll put some budget, and that budget, which location you are running for the ad. For example, you are running for Hyderabad or different regions, we'll put the location. Then that ad appear in that location, the people can see your ad, then they click on your ad, and all the metrics. Here you can see the all the metrics. Okay, so with the metrics we can understand all these things, how our ad is performing. And here also we'll understand more in the Google. We'll understand it is not only doing the ad. Okay, doing the ad is one of the thing. And after this, we have to optimize our ad. Okay. And through we have a many things like quality. We understand the quality score. What is quality score? And we will understand ad signals. Okay, we'll understand ad signals and ad performance. All these factors are influencing our ad. And we also understand the ad copy. Ad copy is the most important. And we'll also go for AI also. Okay, so we will use the AI tools like ChatGPT. Okay, so we have a ChatGPT, Gemini. Okay, Perplexity. Like this we have a free tools. Okay, we have a paid tools on the we have a paid tools also. So generally if company allows, we can go for that. Otherwise we use these free tools in order to make the ad copy. What is ad copy? So for example, if I'm going to this ad. Okay, this is a ad copy. Okay, entire thing. So this is an ad copy. Okay, so how you want to show your ad to the user, how attractive it should be. Okay, this you are a lot of people think, okay, I kept the budget. No, my ad is coming. Okay, your ad is coming, but how many people are clicking on here? Here the volume says we have a 500 people are there. In 500 people, how many people are clicking? Okay, so we need to attract that audiences also. It is not that only SEO here in ad also we need to have a several things are there. So we'll understand this. Okay, how to write a attractive ad copy through AI. Okay, so we will use everywhere AI. It is not that we'll not use AI. AI means separately we will use. No, wherever it is required for us, there we will use. In SEO also we will use. Okay, and in Google Ads also we will use. So wherever the possibility is there, we will use to maximize our result. AI is giving a very good option for us. Earlier, to make a ad copy, we used to see a lot of, earlier what we used to do without AI, we used to see a lot of competitor ads, and we need to analyze. And we sometimes, if you have a content writer in the company, we will sit with the content writer, we'll showcase how these people are attracting, and we used to generate the ad copy. Now you need not to sit with the uh, content writer. You can generate your own ad copy by seeing the competitor analysis, and you can generate attractive. So we have more formats also. We have a content, different formats. Content writing is also has a different modulations. We'll understand those modulations. According to that, we'll write the ad copy. So asking in ChatGPT is very easy, but getting a result is tough. And we understand the prompting. What here in this course, we'll understand. Sorry, we'll understand. It's not coming. So we'll understand the prompting. Okay, we'll understand the prompting. So how to have a good prompting, where we have to go for prompting. Okay, so like this, we have a many things in the Google Ads also. We learn everything. Okay, so this is all about Google. So whenever you go for Google, we have SEO. We have a SEO. Apart from SEO, we have a Google Ads. Both we will learn, including the AI tools. Anybody has any questions? Anybody has any questions?
Sir, now, like what and all further upcoming topics will be covered in this
Yeah,
course?
tomorrow we will cover social media. Okay, what is social media? What are the different topics we'll cover? And apart from that, email marketing and everything. Tomorrow I'll cover. Okay. Today only Google and what Google Ads are I covered. Tomorrow we'll cover those also in detail. Okay.
Okay, will you give access to any of the AI tools which we are using?
Yes, definitely. Maximum, I will show your this free tools, so you have those access. And apart from that, I will give the which are the paid tools used in the industries. Okay.
Okay.
So generally, what happened is it depends on the company. So company need to invest on that. So first you need to know which are the paid tools. Then you can uh, uh, tell to your company this will be help more. Then company can take that AI tool and you can use those. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Apart from any other questions you have?
So, like timing is this only, or any other timings is this, sir?
Oh, which time
7
you are
to,
looking for?
sir, something where 10 to 11 that will be comfortable.
10 to 11, it's not possible for us. This time is because I have another work. I'm working for another project.
Okay, okay. Any other possible timing, sir, apart from 10 to
Uh,
11?
so we have another timing. Evening batch is there, 7 to 8. That is going on. Okay.
Okay,
So this 7 to 8.
okay, okay. That is already, that batch has started.
Only 1 week passed. You can, if you are interested, you can come evening also. I can provide the details also.
Okay, so recordings you will provide, right?
Yes, recordings will provide.
All right, okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Anybody has any other doubts?
This duration is how many days, sir? How many days?
45 days, 2 months, daily
Okay.
1 hour class. After that, recording is provided, notes will be provided. So regularly we will do the tasks also. I'll give the task also. So to get the practice. Okay. Any other?
No.
Okay.
I missed the first few minutes of the class. Can you give
Okay.
me just a profile, sir?
Yeah. So what we have done is, so through we understand the online marketing. What is online marketing? So what we will do, we'll promote our product and services. And what are the platforms are there? For example, we have Google, social media, marketplaces. These are the platforms available in the online. So we will understand these platforms, which platforms plays a vital role. We'll work on. Initially, we'll work on Google to get the result like SEO and Google Ads, so that our website is visible immediately and we can generate the sales from that. Okay, this all we have covered. This recording also you can see in YouTube. After this, we will publish in YouTube also. Okay.
Oh, great. Thank
Yeah.
you.
So data science, you can contact. We have a data science and everything. We have our counselors. You can contact them. They will provide that demo also. Any other? Okay. If nothing is there, we will meet tomorrow at 7 o'clock, same time. So tomorrow we'll go more about social medias and we'll understand what exactly we'll do in the social medias. Okay.
Sir, like, can you list out what and all topics for this entire course will be
Yes, yes.
covered?
After this, I will give the syllabus also, entire
Yeah.
syllabus also. I'll give. Don't
Yeah.
worry. So
Okay.
you can look out that. Even our counselors also, they will give. They will send you entire syllabus for you. So what are the topics we have covered? Okay.
Okay.
We'll see all the topics. So what are
Yeah.
the industry? I'm came from the industry only, so I'll cover all the things.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
So I have a question regarding, are you going to take this as, a case or a scenario or, a
Yes,
project
yes,
currently?
definitely. Because we will take example only. Through example only, I will tell. So what after that also, for example, SEO is completed. I'll give that particular task to you so that you need to perform. So here we will cover the basic website also, how to do basic website through WordPress. Okay. If you know coding, you can do better. If you already know coding, that's okay. If you don't know coding, how can you create a website? Okay. So we will create a website, and through website you can create your own website, and you can take that as a project, and you can do all the things and implement whatever I'm telling. Okay. So that will
Okay.
be easy for you. For that, you need not to take a domain and server also. We have a free kind of things. You can go for free server. Local servers are there. From there, you can create your own servers and you can see that. Okay. So that I will tell. So you can do a practical knowledge. Okay. It is not that I'm giving a some my project and you do. Okay. So I'll make you understand what are the projects. I will give my project also. I'll show how I'm doing, what are the projects we have done. So in industry, what exactly happening, everything I'll share that information. Okay. Okay. Thank you, connecting all people once again. So we'll meet tomorrow at same time.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.